everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I have got a new box for me, it says fragile, that I am opening for the first time. This is LG Naturals. It is organic, eco-friendly, non-toxic, natural beauty. I'm looking here to see, make sure I don't forget everything. So it's plant-based, organic. They do hair care and beauty. She picks, now so the number you get anywhere, I'm going to say between 4 and 6 items in a box every month. If you're interested, your first box, you can get it 50% off. And you also get a free skincare kit. And box is supposed to be valued at between 85 to 105. I've also, I think, seen somewhere it said up to 150. I'm not 100% sure about that though. But it is a more pricey box. It is $56.99 a month, and you do have to pay shipping. But it is organic. It's plant-based, toxic. You know, it's non-toxic. So, you know, those things do come at a little higher price point. So this is my first box. It came like, you know, all crazy. And is this, let me see who is the shipper here? Okay, a different one. So this is UPS. I just had another shipper that came with a big hole in the top. I mean, come on, you guys. That is just mishandling. Let me start. Okay, yeah. So it's Earth Harbor is the kit that you get free for your first box. And within this, we got a crystal hydration mist. We got a multitasking hydration cream. We got a hydro plumping peptide serum. And we got a rejuvenating moisture elixir. Let me open it up so you can see the sizes here. But I mean, it's a free item. First box. Can't beat that. So here are the little sizes. Isn't that cute? So cute. And colorful. Love it. Okay. So our box is in here. There's nothing else in here. Nope. Don't think so. So here is our box. Isn't she pretty? So pretty. All right, let me see. Got my little scissors. Why do I always have challenges with boxes? There we go. Goodness. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty. Is it? Oops. Isn't that pretty? Oh, so it is like specifically, oh, some stuff is falling out. But no, I mean, you can lift it right up and stuff comes out. But I shouldn't have done that. I am going to open the ribbon. And let me get some of this stuff out of the way. Like, I find this stuff everywhere. Okay. So we do have a little card here. On the back, it does tell you what the items are, so I'm just going to put that to the side. And first item is by Lauren Brooke. It is a luminous face highlighter glow. It's a pretty color. I actually thought it was eyeshadow, to tell you the truth. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, it is really pretty, you guys. It's very, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. See, it's very champagne color. It is pretty. I have one now. It's kind of pinkish. So you can hear like right there. But this looks natural, whereas the pinkish, you could definitely tell you have that on. So I love this. Getting off to a good start. Another thing that popped out here, and I find it very interesting, is one of their pens. It's Live Green, Live Great Naturals. And I am really hoping that it is erasable. I'm hoping, because it's got a topper there. So let's see. is not erasable. That is okay there, though, because I'm a fan of pens. So I'm wondering if this is like, you know, a first time kind of thing. But regardless, I love pens. Can't send me enough pens. The next thing that popped out when I tried to lift it out is another Lauren Brooke Pure Organic Beauty. I wonder if everything's going to be in here. Is Lauren Brooke? I don't know. So this, oh, it's Color Fusion Lip Glaze. Strawberries and cream. Packaging. All right, so let's see how, there we go. So is it a turn? Yep, it's a turn. All right. How many times? Turn it to, oh, there we go, till you get to the center. All right. I think I like it. I do. Doesn't taste the best. But, I mean, it's organic. That's a positive. I like this too. All right, now I'm finally ripping into the tissue paper because the other stuff kind of fell out from what I was doing. And there are quite a few things in here, you guys. Yes, I wonder if some of this stuff was just like thrown in as bonus, because that's 3 and there's 7 things in here. So another Earth Harbor. This is the first time I've seen this. It's Anchor. It's a bioretinol vitality serum, 4% plant retinols plus stem cells. Yes. They're sold out of my strawberry acai. Can you go to the other one?
Both of them.
Both of them? How can both of them be sold out?
They're showing sold out. You
guys, how? I guess I'll have my skinny drink. Guys, it's springtime. It's getting close to summer. People want those refreshing drinks. All right, I am going to try this. Okay, it's a little all over. So the last Earth Harbor product I tried had a funky smell to it. This also has a funky smell to it. Not as funky as the last thing, but still a funky. If it works, I guess. The smell is not very good. Okay, next item by Lule Botanicals, Earth Enzyme. It's a mask polish cleanser. It's got quasil, pumpkin, and bamboo. And it is a powder. That's kicking too. Natural stuff must, okay. Says it's natural. Maybe that's why we don't have all the good smelly stuff. Because girls, that's kicky too. That's a little kicky too. But again, that's kicky. This isn't bad anymore. Okay, let's see here now. Aleva, not sure. It's a purifying facial cleanse with organic sea kelp, moringa, and sea buckthorn oils. It is a plant-based prebiotic skincare. Is it going to be kicking? I have a feeling it's going to be kicking. Doesn't really have an odor to it. It's very jelly-like. It really has a smell to it. Okay, be honest, I don't know if it's the combination of the two items that I'm smelling, because on my hands, it didn't really smell anything. There for a second, I thought I smelled kind of sea-like. I'm not sure. Not sure about that. And last but not least, we got a rose petal oatmeal bath soak. Let's steep in bath, squeeze over skin, and enjoy. By Solistic Root. I'm gonna open it to see if the item that steeps is inside, or is it supposed to be this bag? I'm thinking maybe do we open up? Oh no, it's right on in there, guys. This smells good. It smells a little, is it pepperminty or something? This is it. All right, and that is the end of our first LG Naturals. Let me check out the back. So this is the, oh, also these boxes are themed every month. So this is the LG Eco Luxury Welcome Box, April 2025. Okay, so I'm wondering if this is just a special welcome box. A little love, a little sparkle, and everything you need to start your clean beauty journey. Skincare, makeup, and more all in one box. So what's inside? So we got that Earth Enzyme, Lule Botanicals, that's a $48 value. We've got the Earth Harbor Anchor Bioretinol Serum, that is a $27 value. We got the Color Fusion Lip Glaze by Lauren Brooke Cosmetiques, that is a retail value of $12.50. And you know what? I would have spent more than $12.50 on that item. That Purifying Facial Cleanse by Aliva, maybe? $6, and it's a small one. That makes sense. The Herbal Oatmeal Bath Soak by Solistic Root, retail value of $8. I think that's good. And the Luminous Cream Highlighter, also a Lauren Brooke, $13. So new subscribers should get a free gift. Retail value of $20. So let's add it up here. So we have 75, 87.50. Doing this, you know, it's like peer pressure doing this on camera. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's 150, 114.50. So if I count, if I did math right, 114.50. But this, oh, it says box value 120 plus. I guess if you throw in the 20, yes. So, all right, so what do I think? Loving. I don't not like, I like that it is, I don't think it has a smell. I'm not sure. Willing to try, just don't know. Willing to try as well. Guys, I don't know. Because you know it's going to be on your face, so you're going to smell it. This is an I don't know. Overall, I'm happy. Now, I need to double check. I've signed up something recently where I had to commit, I think, to maybe a certain number of boxes. I don't know if this is that one or not. I wouldn't cancel after just this first box. I would give it at least one more try, see what that is, and then I would make my decision. Definitely not canceling based on this. But again, for $56.99. Now I didn't pay that for this one because I did get half off, but $56.99 plus shipping, and this is what I would have gotten. I don't think I would keep it for that price point. I just don't think I would. Although the one thing they say is like $48, which is this. So I guess I'm gonna have to see how this does. So more to come with this one, and we will see what it is like next month. And I'm gonna go look to see, did I commit myself to something? Now I will say, You can get it for, I want to say it's $44.99 a month before shipping. But you do need to, it's a 12-month. Maybe that's what I did. Maybe I committed to do a 12-month for $44.99, but I didn't have to prepay it up front. Because I don't like paying like the prepay up front, like that huge sum of money. I mean, I do that FabFitFun so I can pick my stuff early. But I know there is another company out there, a candle company, that you can commit to a year and pay lower price, but you don't have to pay it all up front. Maybe that's what this was, because you could do a 6-month, you could do a 12-month. It was cheaper, but I can't recall if you had to pay up front or not. So I don't know. But all right, guys. Thank you for joining me again. If you are enjoying these, I would love to have you as a subscriber. You click that like button and click that subscribe, and you get to see more of me. Hello, right there is enough. So, all right, guys, take care, and I hope to see you again soon.